Okay, forgot to take the camera out as usual. Just started loading on chipboard, and this is a new estate agent in Taunton, and so I was here during Christmas time with whole loads more, but we've still got a bit here. And chipboard there. And the guys, one of the builders is clearing the staircase of pigeon crap. And there's this cubby hole. It's just full of mixed rubbish. Builders' construction waste, basically. So we'll have a look at it. When we finished. Okay, we're plodding through it, separating the stuff out. We've got a bit of dirty wood up there, chipboard and plywood. And then there's more stuff there, sorted. And then in here, this is all clear now. Yeah, it's just got this little mess to sort out. So we'll have a look at it when I've finished. Okay, we finished here. All the rubbish is loaded on and separated. I've just got bags of bags to load on, empty bags. What it looks like now. Decorate this stuff then. All clear. It was swept out, but there's still more stuff being pulled down by the decorators scraping the walls. So that's another one done.